Welcome to Counter. Collaboration is a way of life at Counter and enables us to reach goals that would otherwise be impossible. We are unusual in being a collaborative organisation of members from libraries, library consortia and publishers, as well as vendors and intermediaries, large and small. A little bit of history. We were born in 2002 from a collaboration between publishers and librarians, and as you already know, effective collaboration is still our driving force. We value the involvement and expertise of our members, and of course, membership fees provide our income. All members have voting rights at our AGM, or annual general meeting, and all members are also eligible to join our committees and working groups. We also work with members on projects including the development of tools and in delivering training. All in all, members make Counter possible. Governance and strategic direction are provided by our 7 directors who form the Counter board. This board reports to our members annually, and you can read their last report on our website. The Executive Committee provides oversight and management of day-to-day business, while the Technical Advisory Group has oversight of the developments and implementation of the Code of Practice. The Communications and Outreach Group are responsible for engagement to support the Code of Practice, and the executive function is provided by our Project Director, who reports to the Counter Board. We also set up task and finish groups, utilising members' expertise to address issues of the day and to oversee projects. Our members are experts, and we listen to them very carefully. Every year we send out a survey, but in 2020 we used independent consultants to do a full review via interviews, surveys and focus groups. The Executive Committee and Technical Advisory Group are working to address the recommendations in the consultants' report, and you can read it online at the URL shown here. Our members' achievements include creating and maintaining the Code of Practice and supporting the Counter community in implementing and using it. The Code of Practice Release 5 was designed to resolve issues found in Release 4, such as counting HTML or PDF usage, counting book and database usage, and Release 5 also provides a flexible framework that allows us to address changing reporting needs. Release 5 defines a standard format and an extension mechanism that allows publishers to create additional reports not required for Counter compliance, such as consortia reports. The first draft was written by the Executive Committee and Technical Advisory Group members and published in January 2017. After community consultation, the initial version of Release 5 was published in July 2017. The Technical Advisory Group and Executive Committee maintain the Code of Practice and support the community in implementing and using it. Most changes are based on feedback, questions, and requests from the community. For example, version 5.0.1 included clarifications, corrections, and some amendments, and it was published in December 2018. The next version, which will be published in 2021, will include a move of the Code of Practice to a GitHub repository to make the change and release process more transparent and to improve our collaboration with the community. Our members also create our training materials. These include our foundation classes, which are online tutorials on YouTube, our manual for librarians, and our friendly guides. These might be for librarians or for content providers. We are an international organisation, and it is important for us to produce guidance in a range of languages. We are deeply grateful to our members who undertake translations from English, including, apologies for mispronunciation, Magali Bascones, who works for Bloomsbury and translated our friendly guides for librarians into Spanish, Couperin, the consortium, which translated our friendly guide for providers into French and has translated several of our foundation classes. Couperin also translated the whole Code of Practice Release 5 into French. And CRKN RCDR in Canada have translated our friendly guide for librarians into French. Our members also build tools which are freely available to the whole community. These include the Release 5 Sushi Harvester built by EBSCO, CC+, which is an open source software community, and administrative tool for usage statistics management. The Counter members involved in this project are the Pennsylvania Academic Library Consortium and 7 partnering international library consortia, including CDL, Cooperin, CRKN, JISC, SCELC, USMAI, and VIVA. The Release 5 validation tool was built by Bernd Obernapp, while the Counter 5 report tool was built by Melissa Belvardi and students from UPEI. There may be other free tools out there. Please do let us know if you've built one. As you can see, the collaborative effort of our members helps us, a tiny organisation, reach our goals. If your organisation is not yet a member of Counter, we would hugely welcome your involvement. Membership fees are tiered, and the Counter board keeps them as low as possible. They haven't increased for 3 years. Learn more from our website or contact the project director, lorraine.estelle@counterusage.org.